Hello, and welcome to IT section of the Innovation Fair. First, I want to introduce you to the team. Nora Javier is the manager of system support, but could not be with us today. David Louie is the manager for desktop support. Allison Gate is the lead tech for desktop support. And I'm Kim Jenkins, chief of IT operations in District 4. We are delighted you decided to stop by our virtual booth. We have an exciting new service offering that we'd like to introduce you to. It's called Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. I know that's a mouthful, so VDI for short. VDI is not a new technology, but the service is certainly new to Caltrans, and District 4 is the first to implement. So if we're successful, other districts are sure to follow. VDI is reinventing the desktop. Put simply, you can access your virtual desktop from anywhere and from any device. VDI allows us to deliver you an enterprise desktop without the desktop because it's virtual. A virtual desktop offers a number of advantages such as user mobility, ease of access, flexibility, and greater security. During this presentation, we'll discuss more about what VDI is, what the benefits are, and how you can get a personal demo and access to this new environment.
So, why do we want to innovate now? 2020 has been a tumultuous year with many things thrown at us without any preparation. This has required thinking outside the box. One significant result of this for Caltrans is the creation of a truly mobile workforce. Along with this change will come many challenges. One of the challenges will be training in the classroom environment in the new normal of social distancing. Out of this comes an opportunity to utilize modern technology to enable an environment for staff training in a remote setting. Traditionally, the setting used by workplaces for training were labs, classrooms, and conference rooms. However, social distancing, health concerns, and a focus on telecommuting has rendered limitations on the use of these traditional facilities.
While exploring new opportunities for work environments, we ask ourselves, what are some options? A new solution, an innovative service to provide a new workspace environment by harnessing the technology of Vmware Horizon 7, Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, VDI. You might be thinking, this sounds interesting, but what is VDI and how will it help? Well, that's a great question. Let's go over a few of the concepts. Let's first clarify. VDI stands for Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. To put it simply, it's a server-based technology that is used to create and manage virtual desktops. A virtual desktop looks and feels like a physical computer, but it's a software solution. For our service, the virtual desktops will be the Windows 10 operating system, provisioned on servers, but accessible on your Caltrans computers through the use of VMware Horizon Client. For more information on what is VDI, we have a short video from VMware we'd like you to watch. It's titled, What is VMware Horizon? It is a desktop and application solution.
Today's workforce is on the move, with employees looking to access corporate data, applications, and online resources across more devices and locations. But supporting workplace mobility while minimizing risks and maintaining compliance can be overwhelming for many IT teams. VMware Horizon Desktop and Application Virtualization Solutions provide organizations with a streamlined approach to delivering, protecting, and managing desktops and apps while containing costs and ensuring that end users can work anytime, anywhere, across any device. Horizon centralizes end users' desktops in the data center, so IT can efficiently provision new clients, centralize desktop management, and improve security and compliance. And with innovative technologies like instant clones, user environment management, and app volumes, Horizon ensures that IT can streamline desktop and application management like never before, providing employees with truly stateless desktops. These stateless desktops can be destroyed just as quickly as they can be delivered, in seconds, allowing organizations to drive down costs, improve security, and support users with a truly personalized desktop experience. But with Horizon, organizations are not just getting virtual desktops, they're getting the ability to efficiently and cost-effectively deliver, manage, and monitor published applications to end users who may not need access to a full desktop. What's more, virtual desktops and published applications with Horizon provide IT teams with increased consistency across system settings and policies. Because with virtual desktops, these policies are tied to the end user and not the underlying hardware. This means that IT can provide end users with a truly contextual user experience, with policy that can dynamically change depending on the device used or the location services are being accessed from. And end users can securely access corporate data and applications across sessions through one set of login credentials. With Horizon, VMware is also ensuring that IT organizations can flexibly deliver services from on-premises, in the cloud, or through a new hybrid approach to best meet end-user requirements. This approach allows IT to start on-premises and provides them with a low-risk way to move to a fully cloud-hosted service or a hybrid cloud-managed service, with cloud-based management and desktops and infrastructure that sits on-premises. And with advanced virtual GPU and pass-through technologies such as NVIDIA Grid, as well as a brand new Blast Extreme protocol, IT can deliver great user experiences with all of the features end users have come to expect for even the most demanding graphic-intensive workloads. The consumerization of IT is a real phenomenon that is impacting businesses across the globe today. But supporting this trend doesn't need to be complex and overwhelming, nor should it cost you more. Horizon can help. Be sure to find out more today.
We hope the video answered some questions for you, but let's review some of the features and benefits of utilizing virtual desktops. One of the most important is user experience. Virtual desktops are server-based and centrally managed. This allows for more consistency and control in the product's configuration and maintenance. This really elevates the user experience. There are potential cost savings, as your current Caltrans laptops, desktops, and tablets are compatible with the VMware Horizon client. Another way of saying this is, to test this product, no new equipment purchases are required. Improved agility, as you'll be able to provide VDIs to your remote staff on request, and scalability. You require a virtual desktop for 1 or 25 users. We can scale it quickly and effectively for deployment for your use. There are various uses for virtualized environments for virtual desktops. Let's take a look at one scenario. A critical application your team uses has received a major upgrade, and your staff requires training before it's deployed to their Caltrans computers. Due to telecommuting, your staff are working throughout California. However, you decide to schedule an online training class, but your staff needs hands-on access to the application for the training to be effective. Access needs to be only for 3 weeks. Afterwards, access must be removed, as licensing for the product is not finalized. To provide the application to your staff, you request a VDI, a virtual desktop, with the required software installed for each staff member. How would this work in District 4? First, you should submit a request to District 4 IT requesting a virtual desktop, the VDI. Your request should indicate the required software. For this example, we will use visual lighting. After the request is approved, the virtual desktops would be created, provisioned. and the Horizon client deployed to your staff's computers. Now we're going to demonstrate what your staff would experience after the Horizon client is deployed and how they would use it. After your request is approved, the Horizon client will be deployed to you and your staff's computers. The Horizon client can be deployed on laptops and workstations, at remote locations or district offices, as long as the device is connected to the Caltrans network and is, of course, a Caltrans computer. Click on the Horizon client, which is the green icon, to launch it. So we're going to click it right now. Afterwards, you will see the Vmware server selection. You're going to click on this, and now you will be required to log on using your Caltrans credentials. You're going to use your S number and your password. So I'm going to log on right now. A little bit long. After authenticating, you will see a desktop pool that you will have access to. You may have several or one based on your current requirements. I'm going to click on the third one, which is the Windows 10 standard pool. Your virtual desktop has now finished opening. You see it's a fresh Windows 10 desktop, and it contains the software that you have requested for your use. Give it a little launch. With the Windows 10 operating system customized to your choice, now your staff can participate with their online training course with the appropriate tools they need. When the session is completed for the day, they can disconnect the session by using the Horizon client. So to disconnect the session, I'm going to use the X. And what's great about this is that you can disconnect from the session, and it brings you back to your Windows 10 desktop, your production. And of course, the Horizon client is still here. But you'll be able to relaunch the Horizon client, and any changes you've made to the virtual desktop will still be there for your use and for training sessions. So your virtual desktop is back for your use. I'm going to minimize the screen again so you can see your Windows 10 desktop. If it's a laptop, like for me, it's in the back. You can see the virtual desktop, the VDI, that's here for your use. And that ends our demonstration. Thank you. To summarize, virtual desktops can be utilized for a variety of purposes. For example, the implementation of virtual labs and classrooms, application testing. You might want to develop your own project, such as developing a Windows 10 kiosk. This product is accessible for remote users and compatible with Caltrans equipment. So the sky's the limit. Come up with an idea and let's see if we can implement it. We want to enable your innovation. Interested? To learn more about the benefits of utilizing VDI, Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, contact District 4 Information Technology Team. Demonstrations are available by request. Thank you for your time, and we are here to support you, District 4, for your next innovation. Thank you.